welcome back to another video. It's me, Briana Marie, and this tutorial, y'all. Oh my god, okay, so this tutorial came out soft looking. I look very, I don't know how to put it, but I just look like real soft and subtle. I don't look real harsh. This look reminds me of something like real soft, maybe a prom look that you all can do. Something that's really pretty and really soft. And this actually is gold and it's coming off green on camera. I don't know why, but it's gold. And in person you can see the glitters. I was going to do a swatch video, but it's getting too late of me showing you the Makeup Addiction PR list that I got. But I will probably do that tomorrow. Stay tuned for that video. Also guys, I do need ideas because I am running out of ideas. So please, system, anything that you want to see from me, let me know. From pranks, if it's a prank, inbox me. You know, because you don't want it to be in the comments if I'm trying to get somebody, or a Fashion Over Rate Me haul, or a DIY, or maybe like another makeup tutorial but using different colors or something. And also I want to try the I tried following such and such tutorial, so I'm going to do that next, but I don't know who. So if y'all can please comment down below and tell me who I should follow, let me know. We'll be going live tomorrow because the two ladies that I picked for the giveaway for the second and third place winners, they did not respond at all. So it might be your chance again to win second and third place. If no one else picks, I'm just going to choose my loyal dals that stays commenting on my videos. If y'all want to see this soft, subtle vibe that I'm giving y'all, then keep on watching. These chips is so good right now. Like, welcome back to another tutorial. I missed y'all so much. I keep saying that every time I leave. Y'all, I've been battling depression. Like, it's getting, well, it was getting real bad. I'm like, ugh, why am I going through this? Like why am I going through this depression? Maybe I think it's like sitting in this house, but it's just been, I've been depressed. My eyebrows today was giving me the flux. I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. I use MAC Pro Long Wear Concealer in NC45, and I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Do y'all like my hair wrap? Inspired by Makeup by Tiffany J. Brows are not acting right. I have these eyeshadow pens that I got from, let me get the name right. So this is where I actually bought these shadows, y'all. And let me tell you something. These shadows are super pigmented and super gorgeous. I will insert swatches. I'm bad at inserting stuff, but trust me, I will insert them because y'all gotta see these swatches. As they cite, y'all, like, they got a lot of shadows. Look at these shadows. And they are so pretty. Hold on, I got one more case to show you down. So we're going to be digging in these today. I wanted to wait till I get my P. Louis. Look at these shadows. So gorgeous. And they go on like a dream. I actually did a client yesterday. She flew in from Atlanta just to get her makeup done, y'all. It's crazy. I was too excited. And I used these shadows on her and they worked amazing, y'all. That's why I said when I get the P. Louis base, it's popping. Y'all already know I'm gonna give y'all a review. Somebody just signed up on my Dash. Let me shout out. Shout out to you, girl. She just signed up on my Dash account. I don't know what a Dash is. It's an account where you make money. I'm now at 165, plus you get cash back from anything that you spend. So if you shop through that site, you can get like 5% cash back sometimes, 10% cash back, and on hotels you can get cash back, and I think it's more when it's a hotel. But all you have to do is on the link your card with your account, and that just gives you your first $5, and it also gives me $5. The first shadow that I'm going to use is Autumn Sunset. It looks real light in the pen, but trust me, when you put this on your lids, it comes off like a chocolate, not a chocolate, it comes off as a warm brown. And with my Morphe 513 brush, I'm going to take the color Old Brick, which looks like this. And these are a nice size pen, y'all. These are a nice size pen. Deep blue. This is called Deep Space. I'm going to take my Morphe 506 brush and I'm going to put that right in the crease, trying to define it.
Now I was downtown clubbing, ladies night. Seen shorty, she was crazy, right? And I approached baby like, Mom, what's your Asian type? She looked at me and said, hey, you's a baby, right? I told her I'm 18 and live a crazy life. Plus I'll tell you what the 80s like, and I know what the ladies like. Need a man that's polite, listens and takes advice. Well, I could be all three. Plus I could lay the pipe. Come with me, come stay the night. She looked at me laughing like, boy, your game is tight. I'm laughing back like, show you right, get in the car. And don't touch nothing, sit in the car, let's discuss something. Either we love or not, see you tomorrow. And now we're speeding up the west side and creeping up the left side. I'm ready to do it, ready to bone, ready for
Cut the crease. I want to take these two, Elegant Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and then MAC Pro Long Wet Concealer in NC45. I'm going to take my Inglot 22T brush. Okay now, so this video was not supposed to be a voiceover. It was supposed to be a full tutorial, but you will only get the eye look because my daughter misplaced my memory card. I am so mad, y'all. Y'all didn't get the whole look. Y'all only got the eyes, but most people do come for the eyes, but I did want to do the whole look. However, I want to quickly explain how to do this cut crease. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a flat brush or any brush. I already know I like my flat brush, but I had to bring out the 22T by Inglot. So what you're going to do is start from the inner corner, which is by the inner tear duct. And what you're going to do is go with the flow of your eye shape. So if you feel the socket of your eye shape, you will know you have a crease. So feel where your crease is, and then what you're going to do is go round, and then at the arch, where the arch is of your eyebrow, a little bit past that, you're going to go down and come up towards the end of your eyebrow. That is how you get a elongated cut crease. That is how. I'm telling you, all it takes is practice and you're going to get it. But that's how you do it. And if you want to practice on your hands before you do it on your eyes, do that so you can get the feel of a cut crease. Okay, so y'all see that cut? Does anybody see that cut? I know you see it. I'm gonna do this side off camera so I can focus a little bit more on this one, and I'll be right back. Take my Makeup Addiction Holy Glow Volume 1 palette, and I think these are highlighters, if I'm not mistaken. But this one matches that at the top, the turban. quick because I didn't do my lashes on camera. What I did was I used Miya Murkin Trillionair lashes, my all-time favorite. I love them. Check them out. Link will be in the description right below. And then I added mascara, and on the lower lash line I just added the deep blue shadow that I used in my crease. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to go follow me on Snapchat, Instagram. Oh, okay, get it out. Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.